there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Now, a lot of people that watch craft videos do not have a die cutting machine, as in an electronic one, like the Brother or the Cameo or the Cricut, and you use metal dies. Now, I've been sent some dies by a company called Craspire, and they have offered to give you a discount as well, so I will put discount code down below the video. And I've been playing just to see what I think would look nice with these particular dies, and I've been using my Gemini to cut the dies. So the dies that I'm using are these. So we have this one here, which looks fairly simple. It's a fairly solid die. We have this one with the tree and the snowflakes. We have this very, very intricate die, as you can see from that side. And this can be separated out if you want to, or you can just keep it in there, cut it out and store the snowflake from the center if you wish. And then there is a rather pretty Merry Christmas sentiment die. So that's all within the one set. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. When they said, you know, would you like us to send you some things to test out? I looked at the site and I looked at things that I thought not only I would use, but you would use as well. Now, what I've done in this case is I have paired it with a stitched circle die set that I already had. So instead of it being a hole cut out of a card, it's now a piece on its own. But the idea with these is that you can use them in combination with another die if you want to, or use it on its own as a cutout within a card panel. Two different layers. I'm going to be using this rather solid one, and I'm going to be using this decorative snowflake one. Notice my very bad mistake because I didn't line up my circle die very well on that one at all. This is going to be behind a window and nobody will be any the wiser except you, me, and a few other people who've seen the video. So I want first of all to start off with a square. Now this is an 11 centimeter square because the dies worked out, I think it was 9, just over 9.5, something like that. And so I wanted it to be a little bit bigger than that. And I need to put some colour down. So I've got a background for that. I want to actually colour this piece, and I'm going to do that in a grey colour. Just a little colour, not too much. I still want this to have a relatively soft look to it. And so now that is a little bit off-white, but the background colour really makes this pop. And then I'm going to have this layer over the top and that layer over the top again. There we are. And then that can go on there. If I'm being sensible, I would actually put something reasonably heavy over the top of that until it's well and truly dried off. There we are. And there we have the card. Now I could put a sentiment on it. Am I going to? I'm not sure. I just like the fact that it focuses purely on the die cut in the center. I hope you like it. I certainly do. If you want to purchase any of the dies, then there is a discount code down below. You can buy directly from the company, or you can follow one of my Amazon links and buy them from Amazon. If you've got Prime, then you may prefer to do that. So that's it for me today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon. Take care now.